Missed a rare Pokemon nearby? With PoGoSkill, see all Pokemon within 5 kilometers before you move. This video will shows you how. Let's turn misses into catches. Step 1. Enable Pogo Map. Click the Pokeball icon, top right, hit the first button to scan. Watch Pokemon pop up on the map. Step 2. Set Pokemon count. Pick up to 500 and PoGoSkill auto-creates a route. No more aimless wandering. Step 3. Start catching. Move along the route, PoGoSkill adjusts speed movement to keep you safe. Focus on catching. Step 4. Search specific Pokemon. Click the second icon to filter by name, number, distance, etc. Your personal finder. Step 5. No data? Pick a new US location in PoGoSkill, reload. You'll find Pokemon. Here are top 5 US spots for rare spawns or raids. PoGoSkill helps you never miss a Pokemon. Like, subscribe, comment your best spot you get. Happy hunting!